Hello Gear subscribers, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show and tell you how you can install Instagram application on iPhone or iPad. Please subscribe to the channel, put likes. Let's get started. To do this, you will need to go to the Apple Store in the standard application on the iPhone or iPad. And in the search box, write the word Instagram. As soon as you write, this icon appears. You go here, click on Get. Then you may have to write the password from your Apple ID, or you can log in with Face ID. And after that, you will see this icon of Instagram app download. We can go to the main menu and see how the download is happening live here. Let's wait for about 10 seconds for the app to install, and I'll show you what to do next. Look, it's almost installed. We're waiting 10 to 15 seconds. It's gonna take a minute for some people, depending on your internet connection. Go to the Instagram app. Next, you need to lead if you already have an existing account. Username, email, or cell phone. Confirm password. If you do not have one, then you click Create New Account. Create a new account, write name, phone number, and confirm. This is how easy and simple you can download the application Instagram absolutely on any device. Subscribe to the channel if you like this video. Thank you all.